Hello and happy birthday. So, how is it like to be 40? Well, they say life begins at 40, so maybe happy first birthday instead. Well, kidding aside, I truly wish you nothing but the best in life. You are a good soul, Eds. Believe me, that is why I know for sure that God will grant the desires of your heart for you and your family. As a friend, I am blessed to be one of your most cherished friends ever since our college days. And I truly appreciate how you remain the same. You are the same kind, loving, and generous person I know. I have come to think of that when you guys visited me last time. You have everything life has to offer. That's why it's good that you have remained the same. And because of that, uh, God really has been blessing you with so many things. I know you still have plans, you still have goals for you, your children, your family. So I am pretty sure God will really grant the desires of your heart. Continue to be a blessing to so many, Eds. Um, Thank you very much for everything, for the friendship, for the love, for the concern, especially with what happened to me. It really means so much to me. I won't get tired of saying that. Thank you for being a blessing in my life. I miss you and Ethel and the rest of the gang. So have a blast. Enjoy your first birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi gang! I'm so happy nga you've reached your 40th birthday nga blessed, happy and healthy. Um, happy kayo ko, kami nga family for having you. SL, though we're far apart, miles apart, still in our thoughts and in our minds, in our hearts. Murag duol ra kay tano. Kabalo ka that you are so important sa ako You know that very well kung unsa tong nga reason kamo nga ako ang friend. My wish for you on your birthday and on the years to come nga tigaan ka ni Lord o more healthy and secured life with Stefan and the kids. Continue to be a blessing to everyone, to your family, to your friends, and to other people. I love you so much. Happy birthday, gang!
Hi Tatski, para sa itik nga gagitik-gitik sa amoa, banat mi gagikik. Happy 70th birthday. From the Philippines.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Wish lang na ako nga unta mapuno ka og kalipay og kaayo ka uban ang imong pamilya. Gimingaw namin ni mama. Salamat kayo sa tanan bisan tuod og wala kay obligasyon sa amo pero imo gihapon ming ginatabangan labi na gid imong mga igsuon, kami nga imong mga pagumangkon, imong palangga bisan og dili nimo mga anak, bisan tuod og wala kay obligasyon sa amo imo gihapon ming ginatabangan dili mi ginapasagdan. Unta tagaan pa ka og daghang blessings ug taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Mao lang tuma og salamat.
Happy birthday ta amping ka always diha uban sa imong pamilya. God bless you and many birthday to come.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lynn. God bless.
Take care!
Wee!
Hi everyone! Hi Ma! Hi Uncle Stefan! Hi Ate Ronya! Hi Baby Aria! I miss you all! Hi Ma! Happy birthday once again! I wish you more birthdays to come. I miss you! Thank you sa tanan. Magpasalamat gid mi sa tanan kay na-enjoy na mo to nga pila ra ka weeks and days nga naamo diri sa Philippines. Bisan paspas kayong oras pero na-enjoy gid namo to siya nga time. We hope nga naapay next time. So mao lang kini Ma og I hope enjoy ka sa imong day karon. Love ka na mo all. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Tata.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Tay, pang Usbon. Happy birthday day. And then hope nga tagaan kag mayong panglawas sa Ginoo kay karon na ginusara diha. Tayo ka sa amoa. At punta mo tibok pamilya gayran sa Ginoo. O layo mo sa mga katalagman diha sa inyong dapit. At punta te nga magpadayon ng tanan nga good health. Then te kabalo ka nga from the start, from the beginning, you're my ate. You're the best ate. Because starting pa lang te sa bago pa mi sa imong manghod, ikaw na nag-guide sa mo tanan, nag-guide sa sinugdanan. Antod karon nalang gyapon ka nagpalikod ka na mo. And tiyos mo na ko, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my dear sister. Good health always and more birthdays to come. Thank you kaayo sa imo ang walay puas nga kaayo sa amo ilabi na kang papa. Salamat kayo sa imong mga sakripisyo nga kanang wala mi kabalo kung unsa nakadira sa gawas. Ikaw gid ang pinaka the best nako nga igsuon. Very proud kaayo ko nga nakoy igsuon nga 100% gid akong believe sa imo Happy birthday, manghinaot ko nga hatagan pa ka og mayong panglawas sa kahitasan og amping ka permi dinha uban sa imong tibuok pamilya og manghinaot ko nga happy ka uban sa imong pamilya, happy ka uban sa imong mga friends. And thank you so much Ate Ethel for always there for my sister Ate Ethel. Happy birthday.
Once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers for Tata's 40th birthday! Yeah, cheers, Tata! Happy birthday, Ta! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tata! Thank you. Cheers, Ta! Long life! Long live!
To you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mang Tata. Happy birthday, Tata. Amping ka sa imong panglawas. Amping ka sa kanunay. Salamat kanyo ng tanan.